online. Am I audible? Pavan Kalyan, switch off your video. Yes, the students who are in the online, am I audible? Please confirm it. Yeah. So I'm just 10 minutes late, 12 minutes late, because I have a session in the another building for the job guaranteed program. I used to take problem solving techniques. I used to take some special sessions for them. Then I took the session there. I came here and they forget this wireless mic. That's why this is a delay for 12 minutes. Don't feel that. SAR said 4:10. SAR started 4:22. Don't feel that, because if I'm a student, I will feel like that. But reason is that, okay, don't feel that. So now I will go for continuing the previous topic. Okay, where are we? Come on, fast. Float, completed or not completed? Then next data type, bool. How many data types are there? 14. Which category data type we are discussing? How many fundamental data types? 4. Good. What is the first one? Good. Why you be wearing the bag and sitting? Remove the bag. Right? No running race, na? Right. Comfortable. Okay. No, because when I see your bag, wearing and bag, I thought that you are going to participate in running race. Nothing now? Okay. So I already explained float, int. Now we are entering into the bool data type. We are entering now. So see students, now third data type I'm going to enter. Bool data type I'm going to discuss. Very important, very interesting, and some special case examples are going to come in front of you. Yeah. What is int in Python? Class. What is float in Python? What is bool in Python? Big. Good. So is one of the predefined class. Is one of the predefined class and treated as what? Treated as fundamental data type. Treated as which data type? Fundamental data type. Very good. Right? What is the purpose of this bool data types are? Very, very easy. The purpose of, see guys, the purpose of which data type? Bool data type is that to store true, false values. True and false values. I'm not writing or under, because last time when I wrote like that, he came to me, asked, sir, true, can we store all also? I wrote like this, or. So store true is feeling that or also will store. So not like that. True and false. True and false. See carefully. True is T capital. Always keep in mind T capital. False F capital. Okay. So don't write a true T small and don't write a false F small. You have to write in what letters? First letter only you need to write in capital letters only. These are called as what, you know? What these are all called? Logical values we can call. What they are called? Yes. So yes or no questions are called what? Logical values we can call. Yes or no questions are called logical values. Are we there in the class? Yes means what? True. Are you there in the morning session? No. That is called what? So to represent such a type of logical values, we will go for what? True, false values. Good. Next point I am writing. Internally, the value true. See carefully. The value true is considered as what? 1. Considered as 1. And internally, the value of false is considered as what? Very good. False is considered as 0. Enough. Now, Let us start examples immediately. Let us start immediately examples. If I want to store true and false values, I must go for what? Which data type? Bool data type, I must go for it. Let's go to the example part. Where can I test my examples in Python? Python command prompt. Do you know how to go to Python command prompt, guys? Let's go. So Python here and then Python 3.10. So I have the value here like this. Look at this carefully. So I am saying that A is equal to true you are writing, small you are writing. This itself is considered by the PVM as what? Variable name. You will get error. What is that error here? Name error. See that name error. Name true is not. This is not a true called true. So there is a value called A is equal to what? True. T capital. Are you able to understand me? Yes. Come on. It is accepted. Accepted. See students, print of A comma, come on, type of A. What is the type of A? What is the bool? What is A? Of which class? Beautiful. Come on. Next, B is equal to what I am writing? False. F is capital or small? Yes. Good. Now say what? B of type of B. B of what? Type of B. What is that? False is called bool. What is this B? What is A? Everything in Python are called objects. Behind objects, who is there? Good. A and B are what? Of what type? Bool is called used to store true or false values. Used to store. Good. Shall I move forward? Yes. This is called a basic level of explanation. Let us come back to the next. What questions you will come across in written test point of view? Just I want to ask some special examples I would like to cover. Let me talk about what? Special examples now. Right. So keep your concentration very well and then try to answer it. Fine, students. A value true, B value what? Okay. Once again, I will take it. A is true, B is true. A is true, B is true. One of the question. Print of A plus B. Print of A plus B. Output, please. Quickly. True or true? Option A, I am giving. Option A, I am giving true. Option A, I am giving true. Option B, I am giving 2. Option C, I am giving 1 plus 1. That is option D is called a syntax error. Quickly. Option. Very good. Raise the hands. Option A. Wrong answer. Girls, don't raise the hands. So wrong answer means don't feel that next time we don't raise the hand, sir. You have to raise a hand. I will say wrong answer, right answer. Praising will be there, decreasing will be there. Come on, now next. Option B, raise the hands. Option B. Not raising the hand. Okay. Right answer, correct answer. Very good. Very good. Anybody else syntax error? No. Right answer. That is called what? 2. Generally, this is a very regularly asking question because A is called what? True. What people are thinking is true and true is called what? True. It's a natural. Very commonly people select. But I told already in the class. Internally value of true is what? Another true is what? Answer is what? Yes. Very regularly 2. Understand? Good. Now I am saying here, say true. Now say true plus false. Say true plus what? False. Please. Somebody is saying 0. Very good answer. Who is that? Somebody saying 0. Correct answer. I will give chocolate for a Cadbury silk with nuts. Who want that? 0. Who said? Wrong answer. Actually, you are intelligent student. Why you said 0, I don't know. Because you want to invent something new, huh? So, come on, no chocolate. True is what? 1. False. 1 plus 0. 1. Where is 0 is coming? Minus 1. Again, minus 1, where it is coming, ma? Right. Okay. Answer is good. Good. Next. I am saying, take seriously. Answer is, I will come to your place. True into false. 0. No, false. Okay. Anyhow, let us look at false plus 0b 1111. Careful. Why so? Answer. Sure. Very good. Nice. So you got become intelligent day by day. What is the false? 0b 111. Binary with true or false. Really a commendable example, right? Be careful. Try to take care of it. Now I am going to say. Now you are understanding. So 2 into false. Now 2 into false plus true. Answer, please. Good. Now you are comfortable. Comfortable? Yes. Now I will take these special examples in the class. So be careful. If such type of things are coming, don't get confused by yourself and try to apply your intelligence and remember our concept. Okay, students, let us go to the further discussion now. This is called which data type, ma? Boolean data type. So can I add bool values with can I add binary values with bool? Can I add octal values with bool? Yes. Can I add hexadecimal with bool? Yes. No problem at all. We can do that. Okay. This is about which data type, ma? Bool data type it is. Very easy. We understand. Next data type is what, students? Complex data type I want to discuss. Let us go to the complex data type. It is also one important because all the data types are most important in Python programming. So day by day, we will discuss the data types one by one. As usual, from the beginning, I am writing complex is one of the predefined what? Class and treated as what? Fundamental data type. Treated as which data type? Fundamental data type. Very good. Next, what is the purpose of it? Let us take our mathematics. So, in the mathematics, there is a equations are coming. Polynomials, polynomial with a degree 2, polynomial with a degree 3. Some sort of mathematics kind of examples are there. Like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Keep your mobile in the packet. So, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. How do you calculate the roots of the quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. You know that everybody knows in school days. So b square minus 4ac is called what? A discriminant. Have you heard about discriminant? Discriminant is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. Childhood days. Right? Roots discriminant is 0. Real and equal. Less than 0. Imaginary. Very good. Roots are imaginary. Imaginary means what is the symbol is coming? I or J. I or? So mathematically you know I or J. But in Python, to store, no other language will support this complex variable values storing. No programming language so far supports what values? Complex number values storing is not supporting. Who is supporting now? Python can support. Now I am going to say the purpose of complex data type is to store the complex values which is containing imaginary information. I am going to represent the information also look at that. I will go for the example part. Example part. See students, A is equal to 2 plus 3J. Very carefully understand, ma. A is equal to 2 plus 3J. A is called real part. 3 is called imaginary part. What is 2? 3 is imaginary part, because in data science this type of storing the complex numbers are very important. So print of A comma, what is it? Type of A. What is that? Value is printed. What is the type? Complex is a, and A is called object of complex. Next, B is equal to 2.3 plus 4.6J. Print of what again? B. And next type of what? B. It is printed the same thing here. This is a real part and imaginary part. Integer data is specified. Here what data I am specifying? Float data. Which type? Right. Next, C is equal to 2 minus 3J. 2 minus 3J. Print of what? C comma. And what is this now? Type of C. You can write minus also there. You can write minus also there. I can write D is equal to minus 2.5 minus 3.5 of J, and print of D comma D. Like this also I can take. Here I am taking negative values. Next, E is equal to 23 plus 4.5J. One integer value plus one float value also you can take it. Print of what here? E comma. Next, E comma, what is this now? Type of E printed. Now, if I write some X is equal to 2 plus 3I, it is called invalid. Because in Python, they took it as what? J, as a imaginary number representation. Imaginary number representation. In mathematics, we might be taken mathematically, but in Python software, they did not use what letter? I see that you will be getting, what is this? Invalid decimal. It is going to give you it as a syntax error. I hope that, coming to the point of it, the purpose of which data type? The purpose of complex data type is that to store what values? To store what values, ma? Complex values. Continuation or next line. The general format of what? Complex values. The general format of complex value is come on, A plus is shown below. I will write like this. Is shown below. What is it now? A plus Bj. It's not only A plus Bj, X plus Yj, some P plus Qj. Anything I can write it. A plus Bj or what? Come on, ma. A minus Bj. Understanding? What is A? What is B? What is J? No. J is E. That entire thing is called complex only. That entire value is called complex. A is called real part. B is called, and J is equal to, I will show you, is equal to square root of minus 1. J is equal to square root of minus 1. This is our childhood days explanation, childhood days concept. If anybody asks you, J square is equal to minus 1. J square is equal to what, ma? Minus 1. If I square on both the sides, square root will go and then it is going to become minus 1. Are you understanding? Go there, complex part here. I can write here. A is called, come on, real part. Don't sit quiet and calm. Speak all of you. Here, what is next? B is called, ma? Imaginary part. And J is called what? SQRT of minus 1. Square root of minus 1. Are you able to get it? Okay. This is the information about that. Now I will take it. Now I am going to take it. Separately, I am going to talk. And first time, slowly we are getting into the subject part. What is A? What is the B? So somebody will ask you tomorrow, I want to retrieve real part separately, imaginary part separately. I want to break my complex number into two pieces. One is what? Real part I want separately. Imaginary part I want separately. How to do that separation? By using always libraries. Now I am going to say separately to extract what? The real part we use, I will write, we use a predefined attribute called what? Real. What is the predefined attribute name? Real. Present in which object? Complex object. Present in which object? And again I will write separately. To extract which part? Imaginary part. We use a predefined attribute called what? IMAG. Spell out. Which is present in where? Ma? Complex object. Which is present in complex object. How do you apply? Syntax I will write in both the sides. What is the syntax? Complex object dot real. Gives which part? Come on, some of them are sleeping or what, I don't know. Gives real part. Next what again? Complex object dot what? Gives what part? Imaginary part. IMAG gives what part? Imaginary part. Shall we apply? Let's take. This is called one general notation. I used it. This is a general example. I used it. This is what I am going to use it is. Let me go for example part of it here. Let's follow me. So here I am going to use it. Examples. Observe it here carefully. I am writing left side statements part. Varieties of ways I used it. Varieties of ways. So C type, and I took it. Imaginary part and the real part are floating point type. And this is going to be called what? Like this. And this is going to be an error here because our representation said with what? J. But you are using what here? It is called what? Syntax error. Are you understanding? And you may ask this question also, sir, A plus 2 plus J3, because sometimes we may write in mathematics something like that also. But this is also called what? Invalid. Because the representation says A plus BJ, but it is going to be something different. J3 is not different because J3 itself is treated as a variable name. Understand? Yes, that's why be careful about this type of thing. We cannot write like this also. It is also called invalid type. So wherever J is there, don't think that it is immediately a complex number. It is called invalid type because in written test, what question is coming, you don't know. That's why we must discuss each and every part with a keen of observation. Did you understand? Yes, this is also, I will take it. I will try to keep the error name here. So it is going to give you, instead of giving a big error message, I will give you like this. Okay, now I will take one value here. A is equal to 2 plus 3J. A is equal to 2 plus 3J. What is A? If you don't answer, I think that you are not following me. Object of what? Complex. From there, I need to bifurcate or not? I need to break that values. Say A dot. Come on, ma. Complex, A dot real. What is A? Object of what? Complex. Dot what? Real. Press enter key. See what is the result? Actually, what is the value? 2. It is taken internally as what? Float. Understand? Next, please. A dot what next? IMAG will give you what? 3.0. What is 2 and 3? What is 2 and 3? Real part and right. Next, B is equal to 2.3 plus 4.5 J. Print. I will say A dot what? Real. Print. Come on. A dot, sorry. B dot, yeah. B dot real. Next is called what? B dot IMAG. What is coming? 4.5. By mistake, I used here. B dot real 2.3. B dot IMAG, which is called what? 4.5. Is it okay, students? So, yes, ma, I did not see this. So, coming to the point of it, are you able to understand? Yeah. So, this B dot IMAG, B dot real, projector problem on the projector screen కనిపించలేదు చక్కగా. Okay, next further రేపటి నుంచి. Okay, right. Are you able to understand? So take this part here, and I want to mention one more point here. I hope you are understanding this example. It is a complex number. It is a complex number, and then A dot real will give you this 2.0. A dot IMAG will give you 3.0. One more complex number I took it. One more complex number I took it. B dot real is called 2.3. B dot IMAG will give you 4.5. Internally, real part and imaginary parts are treated as which type? Float type. Real part internally treated as what? Imaginary also treated as what? If it is integer real and then integer imaginary, if I print them, it is taken as what? That means it is taking float values also as real and imaginary. So internally, even though you are writing integer data, taken as internally which type? Float type. In some of the other point, this is useful for me. That's why every point I would like to mention in my class. So that's why you just please read the notes carefully and then come to the class. Now I am writing internally, come on, real and what? I am imaginary parts are treated as what? Float. Treated as which type? Float type. Hello. ఎవరు మీరు? ఫోన్ వస్తే ఎట్లా వెళ్ళిపోవడమేనా? ఒక సిస్టమ్ ఏం లేదా? నేను చెప్పాలని చెప్పాను కదా మొన్న. మీ ఫోన్ వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోవడమేనా? నేను బయట పంపిస్తాను రేపు వస్తే. అప్పుడు వెళ్ళండి. System try to maintain some ethics. So coming to the point of it, A dot B dot real and B dot IMAG, are you getting this? Fine. So coming to the point of it, internally real and imaginary parts are treated as float. So I hope you are understanding. A2 plus 3J 2.0 and IMAG is what? 3.0, and the 2.3 by default float, it is printing that. 4.5 by default printed as what? 4.5. I hope you are understanding. Shall I move forward? Yes. Next, we can go for students. Look at A is equal to 2 plus 3J. B is equal to 2.5 plus 4.6J. Careful. Now I am saying print A plus B. A plus B. Because in further we are going to see operations on complex data. What this is called? Addition of two complex numbers or not? Addition of what is this? A plus B, 2 and 2. 2 and 2.5, how much? 4.5 plus, yes, 3 plus 4.6, 7.6 J. Now you press enter key. It is going to be 4.5 plus what? 7.6 J. Understand? Now you get a doubt. A 4 plus 5.5. Sorry, 4 plus 5.5 J, and B is equal to 6.5 plus what? 7.5 J. Okay. Print of what? A plus B. A plus B. Come on, fast. 10.5, 7.5 plus 5.5. Come on, 13. And don't try to carry that value to into a real part. Okay, now, because some student asked me that doubt in previous batches. Sir, here, when it is crossing the more than one value, will it come to real part? Not like that. Right? Fine. So coming to the point of it, it is going to be what? 10.5 plus 13J. Understanding? Right. That is okay. You understand that kind of concept called what? Addition. That is separately I will explain in my class. Moreover, I will take a small example, one more. A plus what? 2 plus 3J. 2 plus 3J. Some small example I would like to give you. 3 plus 4J. Now I am writing print of A star B. A star B. It is a multiplication of complex numbers. Multiplication of? Yes. Try to understand, ma. I will just try to do with the help of you. 2 plus, quickly, 3J into 3 plus 4J. Do you know multiplication and all? Quickly. 6 plus 2. You do with 2 first. 8. Okay. Next, please. 3J plus 3 into 3. 9J plus 12J square. 12. Okay. 6 plus 8J plus 9J. Okay. Minus 12. You are late, no? That's why. I understand. So, it is called what? Okay, it is gone. Because I shown them, it is gone. Okay, mom. So, quickly, because I shown to latecomers. So, quickly try to tell me what is that? 6 plus. Okay. So, I will press enter key. See the output of it. So, you understand already. Already you understood now. So, still, my favorite students did not understand. They are keeping some question mark in their face. For them, I will work with it. Whoever is not understanding, I have to be with them until and they understand. Okay, come on, speed up. 6 plus 9J plus, in middle of it also, they will switch on their videos. Come on. 9J, next. 8J plus 12J square. 12. 6 plus 17J plus minus a plus a. Okay. 12. 6 minus 12 plus 17J. Did you understand this? It is called multiplication of complex numbers. Is it new today? It is already there in our school days. But when you go to interviews, still as on today, when you go to any data science interview point of view, first question, which data type allows us to store complex values? Which data type? Complex data type. Boola. Complex data type. Which data type? And complex number multiplication, complex number addition, complex number subtraction, complex number division, complex number modulus, complex number exponentiation. I will tell you once the operators are finished. Once the operators are over, I will explain that. Right. Why not? We can. Trigonometric separate library, I will explain. Sine of value, sine, cos. Sine 90, how much? 1? Sure. Can I prove that you are wrong? See. 1 point something. 1 point something. Sure. See. Listen. Import math. Import math dot sine of 90. Then we will find our mathematics teachers. You call me also. You ask the question to mathematics, sir. I am ready with the laptop. I will ask, sir, what is this value? You will say, throw it out your laptop, you will say. What we learned? Is it 1? What is it? Like this. Emma? 0.89399 like that. What do you mean by that? Equal to? Equals to 1. Very close to 1, but you said 1 only, no? Suppose you have this much. You have this much balance in your bank. You have this much balance in your bank. You ask the bank clerk, give me 1 rupee. Will they give? You will say, I won't give. Then how it equals to 1? You say equals to 1, give me. Will you say? No. That's why mathematics is very accurate. Okay now? Cos 0. Cos 0. Cos 0. 1. Sin 90. Why like this and why like this here? Sir, whatever questions you are asking, it is irritating, sir. Yeah, questions are like that only then. Interview questions are like that only. So I will give the reasons for it. It's not only you ask any person, sin 91, even when I seen first time, sin 91, we learned like that only. We wrote exam also, we got marks also, but when you come to all of Python, it is giving something wrong. But this is correct. 8933, etc. is called a correct answer. What we learned is something mistake. We learned mathematics. We did not learn what? Accurate. But we are learning computer programming. That is called pure accurate. I will speak a lot of things with you, right? So a lot of things are there. I will wash out your brain and finally see what you will become. Right. Shall I continue? Yes. Go to that. Which data type we learned? Did you understand complex? Why do you use complex? To store what data? Complex data. What is the general notation? Speed up. A plus. A is called. B is called. Yes. What is J? J square. Can I extract the real and imaginary separately? By using which attribute? Real and IMAG. What is the syntax, please? Complex obj dot real gives complex object dot imaginary gives. Right. Here I wrote it. 2 plus 3j. It's an important ma. A dot real. What is A? Complex object. Pointing to this data. In that A, real part I want 2.0. A dot imaginary. In the data, imaginary I want. A B is equal to 2.3 plus 4.5j. B dot real 2.3. B dot IMAG 4.5. Clear? Yes. Now I am asking direct question. Print off directly testing stage. Print off 2 plus 3j, 2 plus 3.4j, 3 plus 2.4j of dot real. Answer please. 2. This is called what object? Dot what? Gives you what? 2.0. Next I will give you what here? IMAG will give you what? Yes. Directly they will give you the value directly. So that time you need to be careful enough. Because which question is coming in written test point of view, we can predefine inside the class itself with our effective programming skills. So 2.0 and next is called what? 3.4. Did you understand? Yes. Shall I move to the next data type? What is this data type now? Fourth data type. What data types are completed? Number 1, int. Right. All these things are storing one value or more than one value? Only one value. Only one value. See students, the main purpose of fundamental category data types is to store which values? Single value. To store single value. Int value single, float single, bool single, complex is single. That's why they are going to be called as what? Data types. I hope you are clear about it. And here in this context, we learned last class, base conversion functions also we completed. Comfortable? Yes. Let us go to the next category data type, that is called what? Yes. So here you see guys, I'll open my main page, main menu. That is called which category? Under that, how many are there? Right. Before going to this, let me talk to few seconds with online students. The students in online are able to follow me. Is the fundamental category data types is clear? All of you? Yes. Good, mom. Very good. So let us move to the next. Good. Second category data types I am going to enter now. Which data type? Very good. Sequence category data types I am going to enter. So let us understand what is the purpose of the sequence category data type. The name itself says what? To store, not order. Not order. Sequence means you will think that it is order. See, the purpose of sequence category data types is to store some set of values. Generally, everybody will think like in English, sequence means order, they will think. But no. Order means I will think what? Ascending order or what? But it will never come. Never come. Sequence means not that kind of thing, not general English. Now I'm going to say, as we have seen that fundamental category allows us to store which values? Now here we are going to store fundamental category data types. We have one-time values. Here I'm going to say sequence category data type. Sequence category data types allows us to store which values? Sequence of values allows us to store sequence of values. Sequence of values. You are going to understand what is the meaning of sequence. We are going to discuss. And it is mind-blowing explanation I will give you. Suppose I want to store your name. I want to store your name. I want to store your name. So I want to store, for example, Piyush. I want to store Piyush. I want to store something like SSV. I just want to store. Yes, ma, SSV. In the complex number you are asking I. Can I use I, SSV? Can I use online students I value? SSV are asking I. I already addressed in the class, ma. I, can I use it, students? We cannot. We have to use which letter? J only. J only. Listen very carefully so that you never get a single doubt. Okay. To store which values? Sequence of values. Take some example. Your name, you take it. How many characters? More than one character. Is it not sequence of letters? No. First I have to train you on English. Is your name is called sequence of letters? Yes, why you say no? Because when you say something no means I will get fear first of all. When my student is so comfortable in understanding, I will not have any fear. If you try to answer something wrong on your side, I will get tension whether you are following me or not. Only one selfishness I have. Every student of mine should follow like anything. That is the orientation I want to have in the class. Are you following? Is it not your name sequence of values? Yes. Hyderabad is a sequence of letters or not? Yes. Multiplication table you take it. Is it not sequence of values? Yes. Right or not? If I go in depth of it, the messages which you type in your chat box in WhatsApp reaches to what? Other end person. Is it not in the same order in which order you are sending? When you say how are you, is it is going in how are you only? It is not coming in zigzag manner. It is nothing but what? Sequence of data. So that type of sequence of values, we are discussing so much of depth. So now I am writing sequence category data types. We have, I'm writing here, come on fast. We have four data types in which category? Sequence category. They are one by one. Come on, first one. Come on, first one, please. Very good. STR next. Ma? Very good. Next, please. Okay. Bytes. Okay. Third one. byte. Okay, beautiful. Next. Very nice. Range. Now I will go for which data type? STR. Let me go to the STR. I will discuss minimum 4 hours on STR. Minimum, because mind blowing explanation I will give you, and one of the moment you will not understand. You will not understand. You will come to me. I want to ask the doubt to sir. Slowly you will enter into that. Come on. So first, which data type? Ma? Very good. Be ready. Of course, I just made joke. You will understand everything. But if you don't concentrate, definitely you cannot understand. Because I am going to discuss extreme situation of every topic. Okay? Look at. And one small example I want to make you to show. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Fine. S is equal to Python. Print. What is that, ma? Collection of letters enclosed within, according to our normal knowledge also, double quoted data is called string. Okay? Print. Print of S comma what? Type of S. What is this data type? STR is what? S is what? Of which type? Good. STR is nothing but your favorite answer, string. Good. Enclosed within? Right. In C language, how do you take care about strings? Array of characters. Array of? You will use format specifier percentage S or not? C language. If you don't know C language also, no problem. Okay, next come. I am writing in the single code, I am writing Python. See guys, anything is enclosed within single code according to our basic knowledge of some languages, they are called characters. They are called, in Python, character data type is not there. Double quoted data, single quoted data is by default treated as STR only. Understand? Say print S, you will get clarity on it. That is also called what? Okay. Next, S is equal to within the double quotes. Within the double quotes, single letter within the double quotes. Which type? STR only. Yes, sir. S is called what? STR. Single letter. Again, I am saying S is equal to single quote P. According to our C language, it is which data type? Character. But in Python, it is also treated as which type? STR. Are you able to get me? What do you understand? What is meant by string in Python? A string is a collection of characters or sequence of letters enclosed within double quotes, or yes, double quotes and single quotes are the notations of string data. Notations of, once again, S is equal to double quotes. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It is a line. One line or two lines? One line. Say, single line of text or not? Spell out, boss. Yes. Print of what? Yes. What is the type? STR. Which type? Class. So this is called a line of text. Which is of what type? Yes. Once again you see. I am writing in which codes? Single quotes only. Here double quotes over, ma. This is called which quotes? Press enter key. Again it is what type? Same type only. Understand? Why they gave this notation? Because to satisfy the C language programmers, Java programmers, almost all the programmers, single quoted data, double quoted data is once again treated as which type? So in Python, we don't have which data type? Char data type. Every data type is called, every double quoted data, single quoted data is what type? STR. Can I write characters in Python? Tomorrow onwards, I will bring one big stick for you, boss. 4 o'clock students are little different students for me. Can I write characters in Python? Why you are saying no? Any problem in my explanation or you are hearing problems? Hearing problem. Hearing problem means I have to call one machines. I have to bring it. I am saying everything. What is this? S is equal to within the single quote. Character. Can I write characters in Python? Yes, I wrote it. Which type? You are thinking, misunderstanding me. You are saying no. I did not ask a question. Do you have char data type in Python? Do you have char data type in Python? That is an answer. Can I store char data in Python? That is an answer you have to say. Which type? Can I store double quoted data in Python? Which type? Single quoted data in Python? Which type? Right. Double quoted data, single quoted data is what type? Good. Shall I move forward? With your permission. Yeah. Special. 4 o'clock students are special for me. Huh? I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that only. Right. Ready? See, I want to store your address. I want to store your address. Shall I? Address means how many lines? 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines. Line by line I want. This is called what? Python is an object-oriented programming. Which line? Single line of text. Single line of text. Spell out. Now I am going to enter into multi-line text. Multi-line text. Spell out. This is called which text? Single line text. Now I am going to multi-line. Okay. Now see, ADDR1 is equal to double quotes started. Now you are writing Guido Van Rossum. Address na? That is a person name I wrote. Next I need to write house number or not. To write house number, what should I press? Enter key. Enter key I have to press or not? Yes, when I press enter key, you are getting an error. See that error. I pressed enter key. What is that error? Unterminated string literal. You started here. See the cap symbol. It is expecting that you end with double quotes also. It is saying. Are you okay? That means a double quote. Once again, I will write. Single quote also I am writing. Started with what? Single quote also I am writing. I am trying to write address with a single quote. Also giving the same error. That means a double quotes and a single quote allows us to store only single line text. Say. But never allows us to store multi-line text. Shall I go to multi-line text? Ready? ADDR1 is equal to double quotes, double quotes, double quotes. How do you pronounce? Double quotes, double quotes, double quotes. Triple double quotes. Yeah, so favorites of mine. Triple double quotes. Say. Now I am writing Guido Van Rossum. Enter key. No problem. It is saying that the dot says continue. Continuity is maintaining. House number 3-14-14. Red seaside. Python Software Foundation. See, I am pressing Python Software Foundation. And next time writing what you know? Netherlands. I am writing something like 50000012, etc. I wrote it. Some pin code, etc. I wrote it. Now I need to, what is started with? Whatever the triple double quotes you started, you have to end with the same triple double quotes only. Whatever the triple double quotes I started, ending also triple double quotes only. Whatever you started with, ending also will be the same thing. Enter key. That indicates that multi-line string data represented with which quotes? Triple double quotes. Spell out. Print ADDR1 and what? Type of ADDR1. ADDR1. See the answer, ma? Guido Van Rossum, etc. What is the type, please? Good. Go. Once again. ADDR2 is equal to, once again, single quote, single quote, single quote. What is it? Triple single quote. Spell out. Now I am writing father of Java. I am writing James Gosling. James Gosling. No problem. That the dot says continuity. Continuity. FNO is equal to 3-6. 3-6. Hillside. Hillside. Say something like Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. INC. INC. What is this? USA. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. 2. Something like this I am saying here. Now, say what? Single quote, single quote, single quote. Triple single quote. And my dear students, don't apply your own intelligence. One single quote and 2 double quotes, don't press it. Because I've seen so many students in this Python from last 4 to 5 years onwards. They will press their own thing. Why to press 3 times now? One single quote, one double quotes. They will apply their own shortcuts because you have many shortcuts. You will get error. Whatever you started with, you have to end with that only. Are you able to understand me? So done. Print of what, my dear students, here? ADDR2, ADDR2, and then say ADDR2, and it is going to be what type? STR type. Ultimately, how many strings we can store? How many strings we can store? Unlimited. How many strings we can store? 2. Number 1, single line text, multi-line text. Say once. How many types of strings? Number 1. How many notations are there to store string data? Number 1, double quotes. How many notations? Number 1, double quotes, single quotes, triple double quotes. 2 to 3 questions will come on this. And if I enter into the subject mind blowing, you cannot understand, I know, because you are showing some laziness from your side. But I will tell you so deep. Whoever understand, you understand. Whoever not understanding, you feel that my talent is that. What can I do? How can I increase my talent? At least by listening these lectures, you increase your talent. How many types of strings you have? 2 types. Number 1, single line string, multi-line string, right? How many notations? Number 1, double quotes, single quotes, triple double quotes. Why do you use triple double quotes and triple single quotes? To store multi-line string data. Why do you use single quotes and double quotes? To store single line. To store single line string data is only used to store with single quotes and single double quotes. Right or not? I can't use double quotes and single quote to store what? Multi-line string. To store multi-lines, I will go for triple double quotes, and clarity is there. Now I want to ask a question. See, A is equal to, or S is equal to triple double quotes KVR, triple double quotes, valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Sure. How? You have to say, okay. You have to say, sir, when triple quotes is storing large amount of data, can't it store single amount of single line? Understand? It will store so many lines, but this will store single line of data easily now. So this is pakka valid. Print of what? Yes, comma, type of what? Yes. Understand? Yes. So please try to catch me quickly. Try to catch me quickly and try to understand. Now, I'll prepare the notes and I will move forward. Up to here, clarity is there. In further, I will tell you so many things, ma. Just to let me show you what I am going to tell ultimately. Print of what here? 1 minute. Type of what? Yes, what is printed? Python. They will ask a question in interview. Gunshot. How do you get a reverse of a string? So silence like a night. See, print of S of colon colon minus 1. Colon colon minus 1. Python reverse. You take 24 hours of time. Any website, any person you ask, anytime 24 hours of time is there. Come to me tomorrow, explain. I'll explain just 2 minutes. 5 rules I will explain. Mind blowing. Take 24 hours. Take so many friends. Ask this question. They don't know. And in written test point of view, they will ask this question. Write a Python program which will accept a line of text and get it in what? Reverse order. Reverse order. S is equal to, see guys, Python programming, print of what? S, print of what? S of, don't buttify, of what? Close it, getting that. Reverse it. That is, don't try to read. Headache will come. Okay, look at ma. Liril. Do you know Liril? Reverse also. Print of what? S, comma, S of what? Colon, colon what? Minus 1. What is that? Liril. S of, S is equal to, S double equal to, because I'm going to explain all these things, because what type of depth subject you are getting in my class, you see. S double equal to means comparison. Original string with a reversed string is equal to, that is called a string palindrome. Yes or no? Yes. S is equal to what? Madam. Madam reverse. S comma. S of colon colon minus 1. Close. What is that? Same. S is equal to Malayalam. What is that? Same, huh? Yes. So what is this meaning? So interesting. So interesting. 5 rules I will tell you. 5 rules I will tell you. So what is this? I want dumb. I want ADM. I want to take whatever letter I want. This is only part 1 programming. Part 2 programming is also there. I can say these 4 notations. I can say string is over. But when you go with that knowledge, we never get the job. Go with this knowledge. You're the first person to select the interviews in first round itself. Are you getting? Let me go to the further discussion. Fine. Up to this, what I said, only a part I explained. Further, I will continue. Come on, for my satisfaction. Continue this, ma. Say all of you. str is one of the predefined class name. Already you have seen. And treated as sequence data type. Which data type? Good. What is the purpose of str data? str data type is used for come on, storing sequence of characters. Not only characters. You can store even letters also, values also. I will show you that. Characters are what? Just characters like this. I will write it. Chars are what? Characters. Right? Done. Next, I am going to tell you organization of strings. We can store 2 types of what? String data. 2 types of string data. They are, come on, single line string data. Come on. Single line string data. Come on, next. Multi-line string data. Very good. Come on now, first one. Which one? Single line string data. Okay. Come on, single line string data. What is the notation I am saying? Single line string data must be enclosed within. Yes. Single line string data must be enclosed within enclosed within either single quotes or what? Double quotes. Either single quotes or double quotes. Either single quotes or what? Double quotes. You can say even triple double quotes also you can use. Triple single quotes also we can use. That I write in the last session. Last part I will write it. Now I am writing what here? Syntax. Come on, say variable name is equal to double quotes. Come on. str data. str data. I can write what here again? In another words, man. var name is equal to single quote. Which data? str data. str data. So str data. I can write one sentence here. I can write one example also. Examples I will bring it. Examples I will bring it. Just to see the example stage. Coming to this Python line. Here we have the beginning. From here you try to observe it. Here you have like this. From here you try to see ma. Yes, sir. You observe it. Here I will take up to here. Yes. Come to the point back. I will paste this. See, yes value. Print this value. And then single quote. Here what quotes? Here what quotes? Yes, double quotes character also. Double core character also. Single quote character also. Next, come on. Here what is the value? Single double quotes line of text also. Single quotes line of text also. Line of text also. Done. Understand? Yes. But now I am writing here. But with what quotes? Single and double quotes. We can't organize or what? Store multi-line string data. Multi-line string data. Multi-line string data. Then I'm going for to organize multi-line string data. We use what codes? Triple double quotes are? Yes. So now I'm going for, because it's a compulsory question, how many ways are there to organize? But with single or double quotes, we cannot, yes, we can't organize, what is that? Multi-line string data. To store multi-line string data, I will go for what? Triple double quotes. Now I will go for the second line. Second organization I'm going for introducing. So see guys, now I'm going to write it. Multi-line string data I'm going to discuss. See how simple it is. Multi-line string data. To organize multi-line string data, I am taking this. I will take the example. Watch it carefully. Here I am writing. To store which data? Multi-line string data. Multi-line string data must be enclosed within triple. Come on. Triple single quotes or either triple single quote or what? Yes. Triple. Let me see, or I can say, yeah, you remove. Right. Understand, guys? Say here, what should I write? Double quotes. Double quotes. I will write it. Here I will write it. String data 1. String data 1. Come on, say next is called what? str data 2. str data 2. So on, I can say, in this string data, you can place numerical values also, no problem. Triple double quotes, ending. Understand? In that double quotes, you have seen address part already. In the address part, what is there, ma? House numbers are there. Any special symbols you take it. Anything you can take it. That is an organization of what? Triple double quotes. One more way is what, ma? Same thing. I will take it. What I should take it? Triple? Yes. Please ensure that you should go for what? All triple single quote only. One single quote, two double quotes, you cannot use it. Whatever you are starting with, you cannot end with what? Triple double quotes you cannot end. Whatever you are starting with, you need to end the same thing only. Did you understand this organization? See, look at that. Go to that development. Here we have this type of information. I will bring it. This type of information, I will bring it here. Up to here, I will bring it. Fine. Let us see. Example section, I will take it. Example part. While you are practicing, you put your address. You put your address. This is an output you are getting from this. And this is an output you are getting from this. Right? This is multi-line string data, triple double quotes. This is a triple double quote started, and we got it. And miscellaneous point, if I take it, miscellaneous outputs, if I take it, see that some data which is available, I can take it here. Some information I am writing here. What I am writing here? Python within the triple quotes. Python is printed or not? Python is printed, because this type of explanation, this type of things easy, but you will generally student will think triple double quotes used for multi-line, triple double quotes we are using for single line. You will get a little confusion. So I can use triple double quotes for any single line as well as multi-line. So I can write it one more time here. S is equal to single quote, single quote, single quote, A. Simply single quote, single quote, single quote. No problem. Print of this S. Print of this S. I can say what is the letter printed? A. Which is of what type, ma? STR. If you want, you can check it out. S is equal to single quote, A. Single quote, print of what? Yes. Print of what? Yes. Of like this. See, I got it A. Class what? STR. Understand? So I can write one conclusion point here. Hence, come on, with triple, with what? Triple double quotes or what? Single quotes with a triple double quotes and triple single quotes. We can organize, we can store both single and multi-line string data. Am I correct? This is called what? Organization of what? String data. Clear or not clear? Clear. Clear? How many notations? 1 minute. Students, is it understandable? Online students? Quickly. Fine. How many notations? 4. How many types of strings? 2. What are the types? Single line text data, multi-line. Single line text data must be enclosed within dash and dash, double quotes and single quotes. Multi-line string data must be enclosed within triple double quotes and triple. Clear? Good. Now it is done. Now I want to go for operations. Now I will go for what? Operations. Shall I? Start. Now I am going to talk about, this is comes under organization of string data. Organization of, see, single line string data, organization, storing is over. 2 types of strings. Now I am going for continuity. Continuity I am maintaining. Operations on STR data. Still I am continuing. STR data type only we are in. I want to continue. As a separate file I want to discuss. Operations on which data? STR data. Operations on STR data. Okay. What are the operations on STR data? Watch it. On the object of, first time you are listening. On the object of which data? STR data. We can perform. How much important this is, we cannot understand. 2 types of operations. 2 types of operations. They are, see guys, number 1, indexing. Spell out. Indexing. Next is called slicing. Spell out. Slicing. Have you heard about indexing anytime? What about it? Know about it? Don't you know about it? Okay. What is indexing? Okay. Okay, that is index values. Index values, you said. I am asking what is index? So, okay, correct. Now I am going to tell you, take the indexing. Take the indexing. Take your book. Book is the textbook. Index is there. Why index is used there? To locate my topic page quickly. Like that, when you go for organizing the STR data, internally memory management is also important from now onwards. Memory management is important. Look at students. Of course, time is also running away. Now let us see. I will write that and I will give you the clarity, and tomorrow I will continue the same point. S is equal to, say, what is this data? Python. What is the type of S? STR. Type of S is? Right. The moment when you store like this in the memory, internally, it is organized in the memory like this, boss. Internally, it is organized like this. Carefully, I will write it. P, Y, T, H. Carefully, you need to say. Because on this, I'm going to discuss lot of syntaxes. Common diagram for the entire course. Because this concept is not only applying on the string, you can apply on many of the data types now. Right. List, tuple, many of the occasions I will apply. Okay. P is one letter, Y is one letter, T is another letter, and H is another letter, O is another letter. This I wrote separately in the class, which is pointed by what? S. Object called S is pointing. Okay. What is this position here? 0, known as index. Index is nothing but position. This is a memory diagram I am writing. What is the position of Y? Okay, 2. Now you can say, speak. Next, 4, 5. Okay. Now I will take 4. Next is called what? 5. I will write 5. This is called positive indexing. Say, positive indexing starts from where? 0 to n minus 1, right or not? Yes. Total number of characters are 6. 6 minus 1 is called 5. This is called forward indexing, we can call. Spell out, ma. Forward. Okay. Assigning from where? Assigning from where? Left to 2. Very good. Very good. Nice. Keep it up. Now, here also, we are having, this is started with what? -1. 0, right side is called what? Positive. In our mathematics also, 0 right side is 0 left side. That's what left side is nothing but on the top of it. Don't try to write here in the bottom, -1, -2. You why do you want to get confused by yourself? Say now, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then -6. This is called negative indexing. Which direction? Right to left. Right to left. Okay. Start, all of you. What is this now? -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. Yes. -2, and then what? Okay. Now, don't try to get confused with this. This is called what? -1. Some of the students, of course, you don't get right. -1, -2, like that. You don't write like that. Are you following? Yes. Come on. This is called which direction? Which direction? Ma? Backward direction. Right or not? Backward direction. Say backward direction. Backward direction of what? Right to. Yes, because why I am giving clearly here, because we are learning lot of data types. Every day this indexing will come in front of you. Right to, okay, right to left, right to left you are getting, right to left you are getting. Or well, finished. Now tell me, what is S? Very good. Object. Very nice. What is S? Of which type? Ma? Very good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called what? Indexes, positive indexes. -1, -2, -3 are called. Okay. Now to retrieve the value 10, now I will ask you straightforward question. You can answer me also. Print of yes of yes object pointing to the data of 0. What it will give you? So very good. P. Easy? Yes. Next I'm writing here P print of yes of -1 will give you what? Very good. N print of yes of 4. Come on. Oh, what is this concept called? Indexing. Indexing. Now see, okay, comfortable. Now immediately we'll get it out. Sir, yes of 10. That I don't like it. Error, anybody says it is an error. You have to tell the name of the error. Index error. Say index error. For every error, there is a name. If you say error, that is called error. Are you getting? If you say error, there is a name for that. You have to learn the name of the error. Go, apply. Say S is equal to what? Python. Now, come on, print of S of what? 0. What is an answer? S of -6. -6. Here. Enna. Enna Pina. Right. So, because if anybody says wrong now, because I will get first term. Because when I'm in flow, somebody says wrong answer means I have to go to that student. Come on. Good. Next I will say here 5. Oh. Enna Vona. Okay. N. Now I will say -1. -4. First of all, you did not remember diagram. See that. That's why you have to take a pic of it when I'm asking the question. You have to see my question and you have to answer. And you will not take pic also because for selfie space is required now. That's why. Useful things you will not take. Right or not? Yes. Shall we? Are you understanding? Indexing easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Come on. Now I am saying that 10. Ma? Beautiful. Beautiful. Say here I am writing -5. -10. Come on. Very good. Index error. Okay now. Next operation is what? Slicing. With indexing, how many values I'm getting? 1 value I'm getting. I want to get 2 values, 3 values, 4 values, 5 values. Whichever letters I want to get it. That is called what? Slicing. Slicing means getting the substring. Substring. Part of it I want to get it. Part of the main string is called substring. That substring can be achieved by what concept? Slicing concept. That I will explain tomorrow. Because in tomorrow complete class I will explain slicing only. Because that much complex it is. And beginning small, easy. But last extreme situation if I go, half of the students cannot understand. And tomorrow if you are absent, and you will struggle a lot when you enter into the further. Understand? Look at once. Yes is what? Print of S object. Print of S, what is the result? Python. Right or not? Now I am writing Print of colon, colon. What is an output? Huh? Minus. Right. Okay. -1 I did not write there. Python will come. What is the difference between S and S colon, colon? That is a meaning is there or not? Yes. Look at. I will write 0 colon like that. I will write it. Also Python. Also Python. I will write here 6. Also Python. What is the difference? I will tell you. I will tell you. You don't apply your own old knowledge. That is virus. And you don't feel it. Definitely it is a virus. Whatever you are having the knowledge. Definitely it is a virus. I don't want to say more number of times. Because virus is virus. Understand? Tomorrow I will explain very clearly about all these things. Understand? Yes. Now I am saying 2 colon 6 colon 2. 2 colon 6 colon 2. What is 2? What is 6? What is 2? Formulas, mind blowing explanation I'll give you. 4 syntaxes I will tell you. 5 formulas I will tell you. Will you absent tomorrow? If you are absent, garbage collector will collect away. It's up to you. Okay, students. Today, reverse don't know what. Narendra, don't worry. Tomorrow's class I will explain that reverse process. Today, how many operations on string data? How many? Number 1. Did you understand indexing? Easy or difficult? Wrong index gives dash error. Index error. Index error. How many indexes are possible in Python? 2. Positive indexing. Simple, no? Right? How many strings? Number 1. Single line, multi-line. How many notations to organize string data? Number 1. Single quote, double quotes, triple double quotes, triple single quote. Triple double quotes, triple single quotes for what purpose? Multi-line string data. Single quotes and double quotes is for what? Single line. Can I organize strings in, can I organize characters in Python? Which codes? Single quote, double quote, triple double quotes, triple single quote. I can use all 4. Understand? Yes. So tomorrow class, I will go for slicing, more and more discussion, more formulas I will explain. Okay, guys? So students in the online, are you okay? Okay. Narendra Kumar eagerly waiting for tomorrow class. Okay. Fine. Is it okay? All of you understood today's class? Yes. Okay. Darshan. Darshana. Hello, sir. What is your answer? What is your doubt? Okay. Okay, students. We'll stop it now. Tomorrow's class, we will go for what? Slicing. So this I am not uploading today. I am not uploading this up because only started, na? This part I will upload. Which part I will upload here? STR data. And before that, what I discussed, the sequence. And next is called what? Complex also. Plus what? Bool. I will upload. Okay, na? Read and then come to the class. Thank you. Good day.